Dreamers Tribe from Teddy Dagadag. All right, all right. All right, si Ruth, Coach Ruth, amen, amen, amen to that. Good morning, Coach. Pa-shoutout po sa Team Reunited at Team Wolves from Riz Silagan. All right. Okay. Shoutout Infinity Phoenix of Davao City from Erna. Hello, Coach Mon. Good evening from Erna. Hello po. And Ria is saying thank you po. All right. BT Founder saying good morning. Watching from Zambales. Team BTE online system. Good morning, Coach Mon. To all, shout out to my sponsor, Coach Jonathan Tutor from Magda Amar. And Romeo Miranda is saying shout out to our shout out Coach Mon sa mga ka-live good dito sa Davao nanonood. Yes, Magda is watching from Kuwait. Wow. Congratulations. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon sa lahat po. The whole Philippines and worldwide. Time check 7:25. So start na natin yung presentation natin. Let me just check my slides. All right. So what you're about to witness now, especially dun sa mga bago, is a presentation like no other. Siguro naka-attend na kayo ng ibang business presentation, but I'm telling you, this is really very, very different. So I want you to have an open mind, open heart, kasi talagang ito na po yung possible sagot sa mga inyong pinagdarasal, sa inyong mga kahilingan, and an opportunity that's being presented to you right now. All right, so let me share my slide.
Recording in progress.
All right. Oops, sorry. Yan. All right, so before anything else, let me introduce myself. I am Mon Reyes. I'm one of the Live Good Business Coaches. And full-time ko na pong ginagawa to. Talagang I'm not anymore focused with anything else but Live Good. Okay, just to let you know, by profession po, I'm a registered nurse and a real estate broker. And napagdaanan ko na po lahat. 5 years akong naging empleyado, and you know how employees are, halos 24/7 yung utak mo nasa trabaho mo. Tama? So wala ka ng oras sa sarili mo, wala kang oras sa family mo. Naging OFW din po ako for 4 years. Yes, hindi po ako tumagal. Kaya saludo ko sa mga OFW na hanggang ngayon ay talagang nagsasacrifice for their family. Nag-OFW po ako. The reason na 4 years lang yan kasi po nangungulila ako sa aking family. Yes, 11 months akong wala sa Pilipinas, tapos yung 1 month na bakasyon ko dito, pag-aasikaso pa ng dokumento yung ginagawa ko. Kaya talagang mamimiss mo yung family mo. And I know very well that my family also misses me then. And then, nag-retire ako after 4 years of being an OFW. Ano ginagawa ng mga nag-OFW pag nag-for good na dito? Nagninegosyo. But I went into a traditional business. Maganda po ang kitaan sa traditional business. Very lucrative. In fact, kaya po talagang bumuhay ng pamilya. Not only bumuhay ng pamilya, magkakaroon ka pa ng konting gana. However, ang kawawa naman dyan yung health mo. Kasi although hawak mo yung time mo, ibig sabihin din nun, walang time yung pagtatrabaho mo. Sometimes, 1:00, 2:00 ng madaling araw, nagdi-deliver kami. Kasi kailangan na nung client namin. So, ang magsasuffer naman dyan yung health mo. So, those are my struggles. And doing all of those are active income. Doing all of those, hindi ko nakita yung pagpapatupad ng pangarap ko. Yes, maganda yung kita, nakapagpabuhay ng pamilya, nakapagpatapos ng mga anak. However, kahit isang pangarap, hindi po natupad. Okay, so I decided to look for another option, another vehicle, and then I found Live Good. And with Live Good po, nakita ko na. I had a vision of my life in the future, and I know very well that through Live Good, all my dreams will come true. Kaya ngayon po, full-time, Live Good, associate, coach, mentor, guide. Ito na po yung ginagawa ko talaga. Alright? But that's my story. However, this presentation is not about me. This presentation is about you. Kasi posibleng isa ka isa ka dito sa mga to eh. You can relate to any of this situation. You can be a single parent. Problema ka na nga sa mga expenses mo kasi hindi magkasya yung kinikita mo. Problema mo ngayon, paano mo pag-aaralin yung anak mo? Right? Or you can be an OFW like me before. Alam nyo, sa airport, pag merong OFW dyan, alam na alam mo eh. Kasi talagang andyan yung hagulgulan, iyakan, kasi nangungulila ka sa family mo. And your family, the family you leave behind, nangungulila rin sa'yo. Okay? So talagang, if that's your struggle, then Live Good is for you. Or you can be starting in your career, napansin mo, nung natanggap mo yung first salary mo, napansin mo, you're overworked but underpaid. Okay? And since you're young, gusto mo may significance ka. Diba? Hindi na nga makabuhay yung salary mo, significance pa. So Live Good is for you. Now, you can also be at the prime of your age naman, na medyo retiring ka or retired ka na talaga. However, expenses continues, bills continues to come in kaso wala ka ng income. Saan ka ngayon naasa? Sa government? Well, good luck. Sa family mo? Remember, they have their own family to feed as well. Or wag naman sana, no? Pero most of the time, yung iba umaasa sa awa or sa charity. Now, if you can relate to any of these struggles, I'm telling you, when you do Live Good, this could be the solution to all your problems. Kasi nga, as I always say, Live Good is the solution to all our struggles. Kasi ito na eh. Ito na yung pinaka magbibigay solusyon dun sa mga problema natin. Now, if you want to change yung scenario nyo from the pictures nung last slides to these pictures na talagang masasaya, happy with their family, enjoying life, then I'm telling you, Live Good will be the solution for that. Why? Kasi merong binibigay si Live Good na hindi binibigay ng kahit anong doon sa mga nabanggit ko. Okay? And what is that? Passive income for life. Okay, ano ba yung passive income na yan? Well, passive income or income derived with minimal or no participation in the business at all. Konting-konti lang yung participation mo. Sometimes talagang wala, yet tuloy-tuloy yung pasok ng income. Yan yung kailangan natin. Okay? And yan yung binibigay ni Live Good. Okay. Now, baka sabihin mo naman, lahat naman ng companies pinapangako yan. Financial freedom, time freedom, passive income, makakapagpatupad ng pangarap mo. So what makes Live Good different? Okay, I'm going to tell you now. Ito po ang wala si Live Good. Number one, no overpriced products. But I'm telling you, hindi natin sinacrifice yung quality for the price. In fact, we're actually offering better quality products pero yung price ng mga products natin almost manufacturing price. Ganun po kababa. Mamaya makikita niyo yung price comparison. Talagang ang laki ng baba ng ating mga presyo. And hindi namin kayo dito pipilitin bumili ng products. Kaya dito, no huge cash out to join. Usually, ito nasa dulo to ng presentation ng ibang companies kasi talagang kailangan i-hype ka muna, ma-excite ka muna, gustong-gusto mo nang sumali bago sabihin sa'yo, okay, to join, you need 20,000, you need 60,000, you need 100,000. Biglang naluluso yung pangarap mo, nagkakaliwanag na yung pangarap mo, no, narinig mo yung cash in. Wala, biglang nawala. Dito ngayon pa lang, sasabihin ko na, you only need $49.95 to join and one time pa dyan yung $40. Magkano lang yun? Wala pa pong 3,000 pesos yun. Alright? And then, you don't need huge monthly auto ship requirement. Wala na po yan dito, yung kailangan mong bumili ng product para lang magpatuloy yung pagiging member mo. Dito ang kailangan mo lang, kasi one time yung $40, $9.95 na lang a month. And that would serve as your subscription to remain a member in Live Good. I'll be able to explain all of this later. Pero ganyan lang po kababayan. Magkano yung peso? 580 pesos. Makatipid ka ng 20 pesos sa isang araw. At the end of the month, meron ka pang sukli. Bayad na yung subscription mo, may sukli ka pang 20. Okay? Now, since we are not product-centered, hindi nga namin kayo i-require bumili ng products dito eh. So our rank ups are not based on volume. In fact, sa sobrang dali mag-rank up dito, 36% of newly joined members, they rank up on their first week. Kaya yung mga guest, yung mga guest na shoutout ko kanina, should you decide to join tonight, in 1 week, bawi na po yung puhunan nyo at nag-rank up na rin po kayo. Okay? So again, hindi tayo product-centered, so no selling, no quota dito. In fact, dito, you will not be forced to buy. You buy what you want, when you want, if you want. Ganun po kasimple. But I'm telling you, sa ganda po ng produkto, kayo mismo ang gugustong bumili. Okay? Ito pa, no back to zero. Ano naman yung back to zero? Ito yung mga kinakatakutan ng ibang distributor sa ibang companies. Kasi alam nila, yung pinagpaguran nila for this month, pagpalit ng buwan, wala na yon. Kalimutan mo na yon. They'll be starting from scratch again. Dito, since people are staying, people are paying their subscription, lahat po ng effort mo talagang tuloy-tuloy lang, month after month after month. In fact, here, you get paid for all your effort. Now, for this reason, nakitang-kita nyo naman, talagang binago ni LiveGood yung industriya natin. For this reason, ang daming nagtiwala kay LiveGood. In fact, as we speak, eto medyo mababa na po to kasi this is last week's number. We already have over 1,030,000 members. Paid members po yan, ha. Hindi po yan yung nag-memberan lang. Talagang nagbayad po yan, nag-join po yan. They're all affiliate members. 1,030,000 members in this a span of 13 months. A little over 1 year lang po. Those are world-breaking records talaga yan. Okay? Kaya yung growth ni LiveGood, very phenomenal talaga. Why? Because we finally changed the industry. Hindi na po tayo product-centered. So ano naman si LiveGood? Okay. Sige, kakaiba siya. So what makes LiveGood different? Because LiveGood has adopted a different kind of business model. Ano naman yon? Membership club po. Yung inadapt nating business model, and through that, we are able to give our products at almost manufacturing price. Through that, yung mga members natin talagang nag-i-stick and they're enjoying the benefits. Okay? Ano ba yung membership na yan? Okay, just to show you, just to give you kung ano yung what LiveGood is about, and I want to show you also the future of LiveGood. Let's talk about Amazon. Siguro naman familiar kayo kay Amazon. Amazon started in 1995 selling books online. And then they started their membership club in 2005. Okay? Noong 2005, nag-start sila ng membership club nila. And then they started, yung books nila, dinagdagan na nila ng kung ano-ano. Ngayon, if you visit Amazon, they're practically selling everything under the sun. Lahat ng kailangan mo, makikita mo na sa Amazon. Okay, so what's that about? Bakit mo dinidiscuss si Amazon? Because LiveGood is pretty much the same. What we did, we adopted the business model of membership club, just like what Amazon did. Nag-membership club siya, giving value dun sa mga members niya. Now, si Amazon started with books. We're starting with health products. Bakit? Kasi yan po yung nakita natin kailangan ng mga tao ngayon. However, because of high prices from other companies, hindi nila magawang bumili. Ngayon, as a member, yan yung value makukuha mo. You'll be able to get high quality, physician-grade health products at a very minimal costs or minimal prices. Okay? And like Amazon, mag-grow din po tayo into many other products will be available for us. Lahat po, be it sa apparel or household, lahat po yan i-carry na ni LiveGood. And one thing for sure, lahat yan magiging maganda yung quality and lahat yan magiging affordable ang prices. Why? Because that's the value that LiveGood is giving to their members. Okay? So you have an idea already. Nakita nyo na kung ano yung future ni LiveGood. Okay, so let's talk more about membership club. Ano pa ba yan? Just to give you an idea, let me give you some of the popular membership club out there. Okay, si YouTube Pro. If you want to watch YouTube nang wala talagang walang ads, walang whatnot, pwede kang subscribe sa YouTube Pro. $11.99 per month or $119.99 per year. Okay, and guess what? Ilan yung mga members na nagbabayad ng subscription na yan? They have 30 million members paying for that. Bakit? Kasi gusto nila yun eh. Gusto nila yung value na yun. Yung walang ads, pero nakakapanood sila ng tuloy-tuloy ng kung ano man yung pinapanood nila. Okay? Amazon Prime, it's pretty much like an online discount shop. $14.99 naman yung ino-offer sinisingil niyang subscription sa members niya or $139 per year. 161 million members po ang meron ng Amazon Prime. Okay, si Netflix, $9.99. You know Netflix, if you want to have unlimited movie watching, mag-Netflix ka. Pero hindi po libre yun. You pay $9.99 or $15.49 or $19.99 per month. Okay, what do you get? Yun nga, yun yung value matatanggap mo. And they have 232 million members paying that subscription. Okay? Si Sam's Club, para siyang para siyang discount store. $100 per year naman yung kanyang sinisingil. They have 47 million members. Okay, Disney Premium is pretty much like Netflix. Yun nga lang mas focus sila sa mga Disney movies. $10.99, $109.99 per year. They have 42 million members and continuously growing. Now, if I can compare Live Good with any of this, siguro pinakamalapit na si Costco. Kasi si Costco, more of a physical store yan, parang wholesale store yan. Pero ang pwede lang pumasok sa store niya are members. Okay? Members who pay $120 per year. Guess what? People are willing to pay that money because they receive value. Ano yung value yung natatanggap nila? Pagpasok nila sa loob ng Costco, makakapamili sila ng mga kailangan nila at wholesale price. So discount naman yung value na nakukuha nila sa Costco. They have 123 million members. Alright? Now think about this. All of these members are paying their subscription. All of these members are paying their subscription continuously para hindi mawala yung value na natatanggap nila. Bakit? The moment they stop paying their subscription, tanggal din yung access nila, tanggal din yung values na natatanggap nila. Kaya sila, tuloy-tuloy lang din nagbabayad ng subscription. However, with these companies, okay, members lang yung bayad ng bayad. Yung mga company, hindi nagbabayad dun sa mga members nila. Kung meron man, a small rebate, a small money back, or cashback, that's it. Si Live Good is different because Live Good is a company, is a membership club that pays. Yes, you heard me right. Tayong mga members, tayo yung magbe-benefit being members of Live Good. Kasi si Live Good po would reward us. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano. But first, let me talk about Live Good. Live Good is a company which was launched globally in December 13, 2022. Yes, kalalagpas pa lang po natin ng first year natin. And our head office is located in Jupiter, Florida, USA. So if you want to see some documentation or legalities about Live Good, huwag po kayo dito sa Pilipinas maghanap. Maghanap po kayo sa Florida. Ang maganda niyan, we don't need to fly to Florida just to find documentations about Live Good. Kasi po, merong website si State of Florida. At ito po, nag-download na po ako para sa inyo. These are some of the documentations that I found in their website proving that Live Good is a registered company, Live Good is legit, and Live Good is updated when it comes to their registration. Andyan din po yung articles of incorporation niya, andyan din po lahat po ng kailangan ng hahanapin nyo about Live Good, you can find in that website. Okay? So speaking of legitimacy of Live Good, legit na legit po yan. Okay. So who are the people behind Live Good? Ayan po. We have four members in our corporate team. Simulan natin kay Ben Glinsky, si CEO natin. Our CEO, ang maganda kay Ben Glinsky, he lives by example. At ang habol niya talaga for us to win. He has over 20 years of experience in the nutritional industry and multi-level marketing industry. And talagang, ano siya, yung heart niya nasa mga members. Okay? Ryan Goodkin is our Director of Product Development. Siya naman po may PhD sa pharmacy and an understudy in nutritional supplements. Kaya yung dalawang science pinagsama niya, siya yung formulator natin ng mga products. Ang maganda nito, sinabi niya, I don't formulate products to sell. I formulate them to use and for my family to use, which is additional benefit for you. Kasi the moment you use the health products of Live Good, sigurado ka na safe yun sa katawan mo. Wala kasing taong magbibigay sa pamilya niya na ikaka-harm nito. Lisa Godkin naman is our Director of Product Education, more of a holistic coach yan. Talagang she knows how to be healthy and she lives and breathes health. At ang gusto niya, lahat tayo maging healthy din. Kaya hindi lang yung teaching niya, it's not just about the products of Live Good. She's also going to teach us about good, healthy habits. Okay? Exercises, sleeping habits, lahat yan. And then Nodor Kazan is our Director of Network Marketing. He's a legend when it comes to our industry. 2019 pa lang po yata talagang, 1998 pa lang, nagtitrain na yan ng mga leaders, nagtitrain na yan ng mga talagang leaders of the industry. Ganyan po ka-vast yung kanyang experience. And he has seen it all. He has seen the good, the bad, the ugly, and the disgusting in the industry. Now, when they came together, they built Live Good, tinanggal na po niya yung bad, ugly, and disgusting. Tapos yung good, lalo pa niyang in-enhance. In fact, he's one of the reasons why we grew so fast, phenomenally. Okay? Now, these are all champions in their own industry, and true leadership creates true success. And yun po ang talagang nasa puso nilang lahat, na lahat tayo maging successful dito sa Live Good. Okay? And look at the mission of the company, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. So, kitang-kita nyo naman, very member-centered, people-centered yung company natin, which is again another advantage for us. Kasi very few companies would think about their people first. Pero dito, tayo yung una sa isip nila. Alright? And that's change. And it's time to make a change. Okay. Now, what about the products? Ano yung mga products na pinagsasabi kong mga health products that we have? Okay. We have over 20 life-changing products right now. Highest quality products siya kasi even the ingredients came from the most pristine location. Kung saan magandang tumubo, doon natin nina-harvest. Okay? And world-class manufacturing facilities. All our products are made in USA, kaya quality-wise, unquestionable. Certified by GMP and USDA. Again, unquestionable quality. Lab-tested for purity and potency. So you would know exactly na yung pumapasok sa katawan natin would not only be effective, they are safe to use. Okay? At sa sobrang tiwala natin sa ating products, we're one, if not the only one, we're one of the few companies who offer a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. For 90 days, ubusin mo yung produkto. Kung hindi mo nagustuhan for whatever reason, isoli mo. Isosoli sa'yo yung binayad mo. And I'm telling you, wala pong nagsosoli ng products kay Live Good. Kasi talagang you would feel life-changing products nga eh. Talagang your health would change, your life would definitely change. All right? Napakaganda ng quality natin. In fact, siguro naman attested na. Imagine, GMP approved, USDA certified. Kasi dito sa Live Good, it's all about you would always get the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. Yes, hindi po natin nilalagay dun sa products, hindi natin gina-jack up yung prices ng products natin just so that would be able to pay the expenses as well as yung mga top earners, hindi natin dyan kinukuha. And for that reason, talagang kita nyo naman, Makikita nyo mamaya yung price comparison, you can actually save a lot when you're a member of LiveGood. Kasi nga, we're against overpricing. Now, if you've heard of other companies, medyo naging ano kasi po yan eh, that's the traditional way. They really jack up the prices of their products. Bakit? Kasi doon nila kinukuha yung pambayad ng offices nila, ng country managers, ng mga staff, even the earnings of those who are on the top of their compensation plan, doon din kinukuha. Ang masama nito, to be able to do that, they have to move the product. So what do? They force their distributors to buy their products. Okay, so ang nakikinabang lang talaga would be the company owners as well as those who are top earners. Now, we want to put an end to that. Ang tawag nga pala dyan, price gouging. Talagang gina-jack up no yung mga prices. So if you look at this illustration, ayan po, yung mga giants of the industry, sila yung Goliath, the giants of the industry, and they're still practicing price gouging MLMs. Okay, si LiveGood naman, consider natin si David, maliit. You know the story of David and Goliath with a single stone and a sling, napabagsak ni David si Goliath. Okay, and that's what happening in the industry right now. Daman-daman na nila yung presence natin kahit isang taon pa lang tayo. Di ba? Kasi namumroblema sila eh. Kumbaga, we became a whistleblower. We've shown people na kaya nating ibigay yung mga products nila at a very low price. Diba? Because that's what we want to put an end to. Sabi nga ni Nodar Kazan, our network marketing director, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Tapos na po yan. Tapos na po yan. Alright? Now, baka sabihin nyo naman, baka naman ikaw lang ang nagsasabi, coach mo, na mababa yung prices ng LiveGood. Baka naman hindi totoo yan. I'll show you. These are actual prices, price comparison. Okay, yung essential oil na lang natin. Ito, newly launched lang to, kalalabas lang nito. Tignan nyo yung competitors natin, Young Living and doTERRA. $209, $252 for a set of 6 essential oils. Kay LiveGood, $49.95 if you're a member. See? Ang laki ng binaba, di ba? Ito, Super Greens. Super Greens, it's a combination of different botanicals to give your body nutrition. Competitor, $99.99, $69.99. Sa atin, $18. And we have better quality. See? Talagang price gouging is done. Wala na po yan. Collagen peptides. Ito, ang maganda nito, yung other brands, they only have collagen in their products. Sa atin, yung collagen peptides natin, our product developer or product formulator, Dr. Ryan, dinagdagan pa niya ng 3 ingredients that complements the effect of collagen in our body. Kaya, pagdating sa quality, mas maganda. Pagdating sa potency, mas mahusay yung ating collagen. But look at the prices. $79.96, $69.95 yung mga kalaban. Sa atin, $27.95 if you remember. Now, if you're more into working out, ito naman maganda, creatine plus HMB. Okay, look at the prices. $65, $48.99. Sa atin, $19.95. You see, if you're a LiveGood member, you can actually buy dun sa presyo ng mga competitors natin. You can buy like 4 times, 3 times ng products ng LiveGood. So, those are savings. And you know what they say about savings? $1 saved is $1 earned. Bakit? Kasi yung masisave mo dyan, you can use it to pay your bills or you can add it dun sa tuition fee ng anak mo. Diba? So, dyan pa lang may earnings ka na. Now, we also have our products available at retail. Kasi may mga tao naman gusto lang yung products pero ayaw maging member. Pero look at this, mababa pa rin yung price natin. But let's compare this time yung retail price dun sa member's price. Here's a good, just to give you a reason why you should be a member. Okay? Our multivitamins, Bioactive Complete Multivitamins for men and women. Retail price niyan, $14.95. Pero pag member ka, you only need to pay $9.95. Kung mag-asawa kayo, bibili kayo nitong Tagalawa, covered na kagad yung subscription yung $9.95. Right? Sa savings pa lang, mako-cover nyo na. Okay? And then what else? Coffee, organic coffee natin, maganda yan for weight loss kasi you'll really feel full. And it gives you the effect of coffee without the jittery. All right? Members price, retail price, $24.95. Members price, $17.95. Ultra Magnesium Complex, trivia. Did you know that over 300 chemical reaction in our body, ang main factor is magnesium. So if there's something wrong with your body, then most likely you're lacking the magnesium. Okay? Retail price, $14.95. If you're a member, you only need to pay $8.95. Ganun siya kababa. Ito, CBD oil for pets. Yan. Yun nga lang, hindi siya available sa Philippines. Medyo under process pa yung pag-allow ng CBD dito sa Philippines. But look at the price, $19.95. Pag member ka, $14 lang yung babayaran mo. Ito maganda, D3K2. Just to give an idea, ano yung K2, that's siya, yung for blood circulation siya. Kasi yung ginagawa niya, tinatanggal niya yung calcium sa blood system natin at nilalagay sa bones natin. Therefore, mas lalong tumitibay yung bones natin at nawawala yung blockage sa ating mga sa mga blood vessels. And D3, kung medyo hindi ka parating na nakakasagap ng sunlight, kailangan mo to. Retail price, $13.95. Members price, $8.50. Ganyan po kababa yung ating mga presyo once you become a member. And here is something good that I would really suggest for everybody. Kasi ito po, it's a pack with 6 products, but everything you need is there. May Super Green, Super Reds, multivitamins, Factor 4, which is an anti-inflammatory. Lahat po ng products niyan, lahat ng ingredients niya can stand alone, pero pinagsama-sama siya sa isang produkto. Napaka-effective po niyan. D3 napakita ko na kanina and Ultra Magnesium. All 6 products for only $89.95. Retail price, $129.95. Why am I recommending this? Kasi po itong International Wellness Pack, free po ang shipping niyan. Even if it's shipped from Germany or from the US or from wherever, libre po. Kung magkano po yung presyo nakikita nyo dyan, yan lang po yung babayaran nyo at darating yung 6 na produkto sa bahay nyo. Alright? Now, Live Good member, kaya nga, di ba, best quality products at most affordable prices. Kasi as Live Good members, you save up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies or even other direct selling companies. Ganyan po kababa yung ating prices. Bakit? Kasi nga po hindi na tayo product-centered. We're more of a membership club. And that's what the value that you get when you become a member. Okay? Nung nagsimula po tayo, we have only over 15 products, pero now we have over 20. Just to give you an idea, noong 2023 lang, throughout the course of the whole year, ito po yung mga nadagdag natin sa ating product portfolio. Imagine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products agad. Hindi pa po nagtapos dyan kasi recently nag-launch tayo ng essential oils. This is very good. Price-wise, napakaganda din po. $49.95 for all 6. For all 6 essential oils. Pag tumingin kayo sa iba, yung isang essential oil pa lang nasa $100 na, nasa $89 na. Yung lahat yung 6 na niyan, umaabot ng $250. Sa atin, $49.95 if you're a member. So napakaganda po talagang maging member ng Live Good. So question now, how do you become a member? Simple lang po. Oh, by the way, we have other products available for you. If you want to check out our products, you can just visit livegood.com. And then click on the products, tapos may learn more button doon, pati yung pag-inom po ituturo sa inyo. Not only the benefits, not only the ingredients, pati how to take, ituturo po sa inyo doon. Alright. So how do you become a member? Kasi nakita nyo na, ang daming savings and you know very well, $1 save is $1 earned. So you want to be a member now. Diba? Just register with your sponsors link, pay the $995. Yun po yung subscription, monthly subscription natin. Okay, that will make you a member and that being a member, you can buy products at wholesale price or tinatawag nating members price. By the way, if you want to have discount, pwede pa rin po yung $9.95 instead of paying $9.95, pay $99.95. That will cover you for 1 year. So para kayo nakatipid ng 2 buwan. Okay. So that's how you become a Live Good member. That's how you get to enjoy the discount. And the discount or the low prices, high quality, physician grade health products being available for you at very affordable prices, yun po yung value na makukuha nyo as member. Yun yung value na matatanggap nyo for paying the membership price or the subscription of $9.95. Pero discount lang po yun. The question is, would you like to earn $2,000 or more per month? Okay, huwag nyo kakalimutan yung or more, tsaka yung per month. Kasi po, dito, meron din tayong program where you can earn much, much more. And you get to enjoy the discount as well or the low prices. Yung value na natatanggap ng mga members, you get to enjoy them. Plus, you get to earn money. And I'm telling you, yung income potential po dito, yun na po yung i-discuss ko ngayon. If you're interested, I see 363 participants right now in our Zoom room. If you're interested, then stick around until the end of the presentation. I want you to be excited. Kung kanina medyo distracted kayo ng anumang bagay, tanggalin nyo muna po yung distraction na yan. Kasi what I'm about to present to you is how to earn from Live Good. Before that, okay. Di ba sinabi ko kanina, Live Good is a membership club that pays. So how do Live Good pays? Through its affiliate program. Ano ba yung affiliate program na yan? You see, as Live Good affiliate, you'll have the opportunity to earn with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Ako nga, I would call it the most generous compensation plan in the industry. Okay, just to give you an idea, ano yung affiliate program na yan? Si Live Good po kasi hindi yan nag-advertise sa TV, sa magazine, sa movies, sa billboards, not even in the internet. However, as company, kailangan malaman siya ng maraming tao, right? So, as an affiliate member, tayo po yung parang magiging promoter ni Live Good. Okay, tayo yung parang magiging word of mouth, yung magiging means nila to advertise Live Good to many people. Alright? Yun po yung magiging job natin as affiliate member. And doing that, you will be rewarded for every person na mare-refer mo dito. Ang maganda nito, hindi ka lang mare-reward dun sa mga direct na nadala mo dito sa Live Good, pati yung mga indirect. Ano yung mga indirect? Yung mga nakukuha ng mga nakuha mo. Alright? Mamaya papakita ko yan. So just to give you an affiliate, kung paano yung affiliate program, how does it work? Simple lang po. Number 1, you join as an affiliate. Number 2, you promote. Paano ba yung promotion na yan? Kailangan ba very formal yan? Kailangan ba talagang meron ka pang spills and whatnot? Hindi po. The way we promote Live Good is by telling stories. You tell the stories of what benefits you got from Live Good, the blessings that you receive doing Live Good business. Puro storytelling lang po yan. And when you finally have successful referrals to do the program as well with you, then you start earning. Ang maganda nito, hindi ka nga lang po kikita dun sa sarili mong effort kasi kaya mo pa rin mag-leverage dun sa mga efforts ng mga taong nadala mo rito. Now, that's the affiliate marketing program of Live Good. Okay? So how do you become an affiliate program? Simple lang po. You go back to the sponsor, you get the sponsors of the person who invited you here. Siyempre po, may nagbigay sa inyo itong Zoom link na to, nakausap na rin kayo. Kunin niyo po yung sponsors link nila. And then you pay one-time fee of $40 plus the subscription of $9.95. Ano yung $40? That's the affiliate fee. And one time lang po yan. Once you pay that, you're an affiliate forever. Okay? And then, since one time si $40, the following month, you just need to pay the $9.95 subscription so that you would maintain your membership. Okay, so ganun po tayo ka-clear. So what do you get out of the $49.95? Number 1, Since nagbayad ka ng first monthly subscription nyo, you become a member. So you have the access to the membership club. Yan po, mabibigay na yung value sa inyo na makakakuha kayo ng quality physician-grade health products at most affordable prices. Okay, natanggap nyo na yung value na yan. Number 2, you get digital marketing products. Bakit? Kasi nag-affiliate member kayo and LiveGood knows that you would be promoting LiveGood to many people. So bibigyan kanya ng mga tools. Alright? And lastly, and most important, not really lastly, most important thing is you get to participate in the compensation plan. Dito po magi-start yung ways of earning mo through LiveGood when you become an affiliate member. And how do you get paid? You get paid by direct deposit, iPayout, or through credit wallet. Pwede pong i-discuss yan kung sino man yung nag-invite sa inyo. Or if you're familiar with Bitcoin, pwede rin by BitPay. Alright? Pwede pong i-discuss yan. As soon as you become a member, you could actually ask for this. Ask for information about this. Kasi yan po yung earnings nyo. So you would know how to enjoy your earnings here in LiveGood. Okay, so just to give you an idea, ano yung mga digital marketing products that you would receive, you'll actually receive 3 replicated website. Actually, 5 replicated website na yan. Kaya ako nasabing 3 kasi when we started, tatatlo pa lang yan eh. Pero imagine, nagdagdag sila ng 2, hindi na sila nanghingi pa ng additional fee. Okay? Sabi ko nga, one time lang yung $40 forever ka ng members. At kahit anong improvements yung gawin nila, covered na yon. Okay, ano-ano yung mga website mo? Number 1, yung livegood.com/username mo, that would be your business site. Diyan mo makikita yung mga, di ba sabi ko magre-refer kayo dito? Diyan mo mamomonitor yung movement ng business mo. Makikita mo yung mga taong na-refer mo, yung mga taong na-refer nung na-refer mo, tsaka yung mga taong na-refer nung na-refer nung na-refer mo. These are all important kasi nga sabi ko, you're not just going to be paid from your effort, you can actually leverage from the effort of those people you bring in. Dito mo rin makikita, by the way, yung iyong earnings. Yung weekly earnings mo, yung monthly earnings mo. Yes, we get paid weekly and monthly here in LiveGood. Okay? But don't worry, kasi username and password protected po to. Just make sure na hindi nyo kakalimutan yung username nyo tsaka yung password nyo. Ngayon, meron din tayong tinatawag na landing page. Yun yung livegood.tour.com/your-username. Ano naman yan? Dito po, ito yung bibigay mo dun sa mga gusto mong i-invite na maging partner dito. Yung magiging affiliate member din, just like you. Kasi dito po, bubungad sa kanila is a video by our CEO, Ben Glinsky, explaining everything about LiveGood. All the benefits they would have about doing LiveGood, how LiveGood differs, and lahat po. Kumbaga, ito na yung pinaka magiging magbebenta para sa'yo or mag-i-invite para sa'yo. Giving this, pwede rin dyan mag-register for free yung mga potential business partners mo by putting their first name and last name and email address. Once they do that, nagre-reserve na sila ng position without even paying for anything. Okay? However, you have to remember, only after paying the $49.95, then they become an affiliate member. Doon pa lang po mag-i-start yung kanilang way to earn here in LiveGood. Okay? And what else? Meron din po tayong online shop, yung shoplivegood.com/your-username. Ano naman yan? Di ba nakita nyo kanina may retail price? Kasi nga may mga tao naman gusto bumili ng products pero hindi naman gusto mag-member. Ito yung ipapadala mo sa kanila. This is like Shopee or Lazada na personalize sa'yo kasi makikita yung pangalan mo. However, the products that are available on this shop are only the products of LiveGood. Right now, we have the premium health products. Yun yung makikita nila dyan. At ang price na makikita nila would be the retail price. Ang maganda nito, everything is already online. Dropshipping style po to. So all you need to do is send the link to your possible customers. Dun sila o-order, dun sila magbabayad. Once they paid, si LiveGood na ang magpapack niyan, si LiveGood na mag-ship niyan. Okay, wala kang po problemahin. Wala kang inventaryo, wala kang hindi ikaw yung magpapack, hindi ikaw yung makikipag-usap sa courier. Yet, when somebody buys from this shop of yours, meron kang commission. Alright? Ngayon, ito yung dalawa na dagdag nila, the product pages. Parang landing page din po yan. We have one for super reds and another one for super greens. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, meron na rin po for magnesium, hindi pa lang nila-launch. Okay? So, yan po. Those are the products you can actually use so that you'll be able to do your business in Live Good smoothly. Now, question now, how to make money in subscription? Yes, it's true, ano? We're paying subscription lang and yes, it's $9.95. Baka isipin nyo, paano ka naman kikita sa subscription? I'm telling you, because of that, because of this model, because of this business model that we have adopted, napaka-generous po ng ating compensation plan. So again, tanggalin na lahat ng distraction kasi eto na, kitaan na yung ating pag-uusapan. Now, to be able to understand well kung paano yung payment dito sa subscription or ways to earn here in Live Good, you have to remember the two powerful structure. Yung una is the unilevel structure and the force matrix structure. Ano ba yung unilevel? Di ba nabanggit ko kanina that you would be referring people to Live Good? So lahat ng personally marirefer mo dito would fall on your level 1. Lahat yan directly nakakabit sa'yo. Level 1 mo lahat yan. Okay? Ngayon, if you teach them to do the same, if you duplicate yourself to them, meaning sila din magre-refer ng tao sa Live Good, lahat ng mare-refer nila would fall on your level 2. And if they do the same na tinuruan nila yung mga yan, lahat ng mare-refer, nung na-refer nila, would be on your level 3. At tuloy-tuloy lang po yan hanggang level 10. Why? Because we get to be paid up to 10 levels deep depending on our rank. Okay? Now, ano naman yung force matrix? Force matrix po kasi system assigned yan. System po ang mag-a-assign ng mga tao na sa ilalim natin or sa loob ng matrix natin. So how does that work? Every person po in the whole Live Good, ang nakakabitan lang sa matrix, remember, we're now talking about the force matrix. Ang makakabit na tao lang sa ilalim mo, dalawa lang. Okay? Paano kung nag-invite ka ng marami? Let's say naka-invite ka ng 6. Okay? Ito gagawin ni system. Unang-una ikaw, kakabitan ka ng 2. Paano na yung 4 mo pang na-invite? Ikakabit yun dun sa 2 nasa ilalim mo. And it's going to be arranged in such a way na fair sa lahat. Okay? So power of 2 lang po yan. 2 lang yung nakabit sa iyo. Dun sa 2 mo may tagalawang nakabit. So 4. Dun sa 4 may tagalawa. So 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, and so on up to 15 levels because you get to be paid up to 15 levels deep. Okay? Tandaan niyo po yung structure na yan. By the way, we would have our own matrix pero we would belong to a bigger matrix. Meaning may mga tao rin po sa taas natin. Okay, and if these people continuously do the business, guess what? There's a huge possibility na magkaroon tayo ng spillover. Right? Kasi 2 lang yung pwedeng ikabit sa kanila eh. Yung ibang madadagdag nila, mapupunta na sa nasa ilalim nila. Tayo yon. Okay? Dito, meron po tayong possibility of having spillovers. And yes, not only a possibility, totoo pong magkakaroon tayo ng spillover in time. Okay, hindi lang po natin malaman kung kailan pero definitely magkakaroon. Now, why are these structures very important? Kasi yan pong mga structures na yan yung gagamitin ng system para i-compute kung magkano yung kikitain natin sa Live Good. Because here in Live Good, we have 8 ways to earn. When I started here in Live Good, 6 ways to earn lang po yan. Dinagdagan na ng isa, naging 7 at ngayon may dadagdag pang isa kaya naging 8 ways to earn. Ano-ano po yan? So weekly fast start, retail commission, ang gagamitin po dyan would be the unilevel structure. Si matrix commission, gagamitin naman po dyan would be the force matrix structure. Now if you notice, meron nasa gitna si matching bonus. Si matching bonus po kasi parang hybrid yan. Kino-combine yung unilevel tsaka yung matrix para compute yung matching bonuses. And by the way, mamaya pag diniscuss ko na yan, makinig kayo maigi kasi yan yung income na makakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap natin. Alright? We still have other ways to earn like influencer bonus. Ito yung bagong-bago, yung customer acquisition bonus. And yung mga diamond bonus pool and crown diamond bonus pool. Yan po mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kasi yan na talaga yung pinaka-passive income, yung residual income na matatanggap nyo rito sa Livgood. So let's start. Yung unang-una, the weekly fast start bonus or as we call it, quick money. We know very well naman na talagang mabilisan kasi tuloy-tuloy lang yung paggamit natin sa ating funds, sa ating money. So kailangan mabilis din natin natatanggap yung money natin. Right? Fast start bonus, ano ibig sabihin yan? Fast start bonus is a one-time $25 bonus from all new directs that join you and paid $49.95. So ganito po yan, di ba? Kayo, sabi ko to become an affiliate member, you pay $49.95. Now, once you paid the $49.95, you become an affiliate member now, pwede nyo nang i-promote si Livgood. Now, for every successful referral you make, meaning they would also pay $49.95 just like you did, you get $25. So in this example, may apat siyang successful referral, $25 each times 4, meron siyang $100. If this happens in a week, yung $100 na yan, matatanggap niya the following week. Okay? Now, ang cutoff natin will be every Thursday. Ang weekly cutoff natin is every Thursday US time. Okay? So, after that cutoff, lahat po ng napasok natin before that cutoff, matatanggap po natin yung tagta $25 doon the following week. Ganun po siya kabilis. Kaya tinatawag namin quick money. Alright? Now, ito pa maganda. Kasi yan, direct effort mo yan Diba? Yung effort mo of promoting Livgood, kaya naging direct referrals mo sila. That's why you receive $25. Diba na-mention ko kanina, you can still leverage from the effort of the people you bring in. Okay? Ito maganda. If you rank up to bronze, okay, when we start here, everybody starts as unranked, meaning wala pa tayong nadi-direct referral or iisa pa lang yung direct referral natin. Yes, we still receive the $25 na fast start bonus na marireceive natin whenever meron tayong successful referral, right? Here's the good news. Pag dalawa yung napasok mo, you become bronze. Okay? Ano significance ng dalawa? Dalawa, $25 plus $25 is $50. Bawi mo na yung nalabas mong $49.95. So unang-una, ang benefit niyan, nabawi mo na yung nilabas mong $49.95. Pangalawa, naging bronze ka pa. So why is it important to become bronze? Dito po kasi sa Livgood, binibigyan talaga ng rewards yung mga nag-share ng Livgood sa ibang tao. Yung mga talagang nagpo-promote ng Livgood sa kanilang mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, kaklase, ka-churchmate, ka-workmate, lahat ng kanila, diba, yung KKK nila, talagang pag na-promote nila si Livgood and they successfully refer Livgood, i-refer ka nila. I-reward ka ni Livgood. Ang kagandahan nga nito, pag bronze ka na, you get to enjoy level 2. Sino yung level 2? Yan na yung mga referrals, yung mga direct referrals mo. Hindi mo na effort, most likely hindi mo na kilala, yet you still get paid. Now, as you continue to rank up, kasi meron tayong different ranks dito, like silver, gold, platinum, diamond, as you continue to rank up, you get to enjoy deeper levels. Kasi pag silver ka, hanggang 3rd and 4th level na yung matatanggap mo. Pag nag-gold ka, 5th and 6th level. Pag nag-platinum ka, 7th and 8th level. Pag nag-diamond ka, 9th and 10th level, matatanggap mo po. Talagang darating yung point, hindi ka na you're not anymore doing the business, yet magugulat ka pagdating ng pay time, makikita mo may kita ka. Right? And it's true. Kasi kami po, nararamdaman na po namin yan. Sometimes there would be times na talagang halos wala kaming nagawa sa business, yet income is continuously coming in. Passive income na po yan. Okay? And what's beautiful about this is you can actually refer unlimited. Pwede kayong mag-direct refer kung ilan gusto nyo. Gusto nyo 10, 100, 1,000, pwede po. Alright? So that's quick money. The reason why it's quick money kasi nga mabilis siya natatanggap. Alright. And then we also have retirement money. Yan naman po yung ating matrix commission. Paano yung matrix? Na-discuss ko na kanina yung matrix structure, di ba? Now, for every person na mapupunta sa matrix mo, whether galing sa iyo, direct referral mo, galing dun sa mga na-refer mo, kasi mapupunta yun sa matrix nila, nasa loob sila ng matrix mo, so nasa loob pa rin ng matrix mo. Or, galing dun sa mga taong nasa taas mo, meaning spill over sa iyo. Whether saan siya galing, basta napunta siya sa matrix mo, bibigyan ka ni Livegood ng 25 cents for every person na mapupunta sa loob ng matrix mo. Okay, kaya ako namin tinatawag na retirement money to kasi time will come, talagang aabot ng $2,000 yung kikitain mo rito even if you don't successfully refer people. Dito nga po, our matrix commission retirement money, ito lang tatandaan nyo, you subscribe, you continue to subscribe and wait, and then you will earn. Okay? Yes, totoo po yan. You can actually earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. But I don't really recommend this kasi this was designed for those who would not be able to successfully refer people. Okay? Pero ito, tignan nyo how generous Livegood is. If you're unranked, when you say unranked, wala kang successfully na-refer dito or iisa lang yung na-refer mo dito, you still get to be paid up to 12 levels deep. Ano ibig sabihin niya? Diba power to yan, yung level 1 mo is 2, then 4, then 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. Pag binilang mo lahat yung number of people na yon, 12 levels deep, aabot ng 8,190 people yan. Times 25 cents, that's where the $2,047.50 is coming from. So even if you're unranked, makakatanggap ka pa rin dito. Yun nga lang, hindi natin alam kung kailan mapupuno yung matrix mo. But the good news is, kahit hindi siya puno, so long as may taong pumasok sa matrix mo, babayaran ka na ni Livegood. Let's say may isang pumasok sa'yo, you get 25 cents. Pag dalawa, 50 cents. Pag apat, $1. Guess what? Pag umabot ng 40 yung tao sa matrix mo, that means you're already receiving $10. Magkano yung monthly subscription natin? $9.95. So nagbabayad na mag-isa. The payment that the payment you use or the money you use to pay for your subscription is already coming from your matrix income. So parang self-paying na yung business mo. Right? Pero ito nga if you rank up to bronze or silver, you get to enjoy up to level 13. At pag napuno yung level 13 mo, yung 2,047.50 magiging 4,095.50. Kaya sino yung may gustong hindi mag-refer dito? Dito nga sabi ko, Livegood will be a blessing to you. Livegood will give you a lot of blessing. Now, if you receive something of great value and of great blessing, it is your obligation to share it to many people. And the more people you share it, the more chances you get promoted. And when you get to gold or platinum, may enjoy mo na up to level 14. Biglang na-doble na naman yung matrix mo. Umabot na ng $8,191.50 yung matrix income mo. And then when you get promoted to to the diamond rank, you get to enjoy up to level 15. That's 16,383.50 or 900,000 pesos month after month after month after month. Alright? Ganyan po ka-generous si Livegood. Imagine, hindi ka na nakapag-invite, yet may kita ka pa rin. Sabi ko nga, ang tanong, kailan mapupuno yan? Hindi po natin malaman, pero may paraan para mapabilis yan. Meron po tayong strategy na tinatawag. Siyempre, aanhin mo yung knowledge, aanhin mo yung wisdom kung wala kang strategy may i-apply. So ano yung strategy na yan? You get to, you help to, and then you repeat. That's the fastest way to build your matrix. Paano yung get to? On your first week, kuha ka kagad dalawa. Bakit ka kukuha ng dalawa? Bawi mo na kagad yung nilabas mong $49.95 plus bronze ka na. Pag napuno yung matrix mo, you get to enjoy up to level 13. And then ano gagawin mo sa dalawa? Kumuha mo, ganun din sabihin mo. Kumuha kayo ng tagalawa para mabawi nyo kagad yung 49.95 plus magiging bronze kayo. Alright? And then ipaturo mo sa kanila na turuan yung mga dalawang makukuha nila. Now, this is what will happen. Di una, ikaw lang. Tapos nakakuha ka ng dalawa. That's 2. And then yung dalawa nakakuha ng tagalawa. That's 4, 8, 16, 32. If this happens weekly, on the 12th week pa lang, umaabot na po ng 8,190 people in your matrix. Meaning, ang payment mo sa matrix income, umaabot na ng 2,047.50. And since nakakuha ka ng dalawa, naging bronze ka, you get to enjoy up to level 13. On the 13th week pa lang, puno na po yung 13th level mo. That is if this continues to happen week after week after week after week. Na lahat ng kukuha ng na makukuha or lahat ng mag-join dun sa team mo, automatic on their first week kukuha ng tagalawa. Okay? Gawin nyo pong culture yan sa team nyo. Ang bilis nyo pong mapupuno yung matrix nyo. Alright? Alright. And then, another tip, since nakakuha ka ng dalawa and if it starts moving already, kumuha ka pa ng dalawang bago na siyang tuturuan ko naman. Okay, bakit? Kasi yun yung way for you to get promoted naman to higher ranks. And ang maganda nito, the more you recruit here or the more you sponsor to Live Good, the more you get rewarded by Live Good. Kasi meron pa tayong next income yung tinatawag naming wealth money. Okay? Ano ba yan? Palaki ng palaki. Ang laki na nga ng mga diniscuss mo, meron pang wealth money ngayon. Ito na po yung matching bonus. Yung nasabi ko kanina, when I start discussing this, tanggalin nyo na lahat ng distraction, makinig kayo maigi kasi ito yung magpapayaman sa inyo. Alright, ganito po yan. Di ba you have the uni level? Okay, the moment you entered, the moment you join Live Good, magkakaroon kayo ng sarili nyong matrix. Therefore, magkakaroon kayo ng matrix income, right? Pag nagkaroon na ng tao yung matrix nyo, magkakaroon kayo ng matrix income. If you decide to share Live Good to others, magkakaroon kayo ng mga level 1, level, yung mga direct referral mo. Each of them will have their own matrix. Therefore, each of them will have their own matrix income. Matching bonus is actually 50% of whatever they earn in their matrix income. Ima-match yan ni Live Good and that would be given to you kasi ikaw yung nagdala sa kanila. Alright? So in this example, meron kang 4 na direct referral, si A, B, si C, tsaka si D. Si A kumikita na ng 1,000 sa kanyang matrix, may 50% ka, that's $500. Si B, 500 yung kinikita, that's $250 for you. Si C, 100 lang yung kinikita, meron ka pa rin 50. Si D, may 200 sa kanyang matrix income, meron ka pa rin 100. At ang maganda niyan, you can actually refer as many as you want here in Live Good. But that doesn't end here. Just like the other means to earn, you still get to leverage from the effort of these people na dinadala mo rito. Kasi here, meron tayong tinatawag na generation bonuses. Sa personally enrolled mo, may 50% ka, di ba? The moment you rank up to silver at merong naging silver na rin dun sa mga enroller leg mo, you get a first generation bonus of 10% and second generation silver bonus. Pag naging gold ka, you get to enjoy up to third generation. Pag nag-platinum ka, up to fourth generation yun na i-enjoy mo. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to the third generation. Up to the fifth generation. Sorry. So what does that mean? It means na hindi ka lang kikita dun sa direct na sponsor mo rito, kikita ka rin sa buong organization niya or sa buong team niya. Okay, in fact, here you can actually earn an additional of 23% sa mga members or sa team ng mga direct enrollment. Okay? Let me give you some example on monetary value. Let's say, for example, in your first generation, nag-sponsor ka 10 tao. Ngayon, yung 10 tao mo, kumikita na lang ng, for example, $100 sa matrix income niya. May 50% ka, that's $50 for you. May 10 sila, that's $500. Now, yung 10 mo, kumuha ng tag-10, adding additional, giving an additional 100 people in your team. Okay, second generation mo na yan, silver na sila. Silver ka na rin. Alright? Matrix income na lang nila, for example, is $100. May 10% ka pa being silver. Magkano yun? $10. 100 sila. That's $1,000. Di ba? Now, yung 100 na bagong sali, kumuha ng tag-10 kasi na-duplicate mo yung sarili mo, nagkaroon ng additional na 1,000 in your team. This is already your third generation gold. $50 na lang kunyari yung kinikita nila sa Matrix, may 5% ka pa rin, that's $2.50. 1,000 sila, that's $2,500. Now, yung 10 mo, nakakuha pa rin ng tag-5, additional 5,000 in your team. Platinum ka na. That's your fourth generation already. So, meron ka pa rin generation bonus. Di ba? Let's say, for example, $50 na lang yung matrix income nila. 5% sa'yo, that's $250. 5,000 sila, that's $12,500. Matching bonus, generation bonus. Okay? Yung 5,000, kumuha pa rin ng tagpa-5. That's additional 25,000 people in your team. That's already your fifth generation diamond. $30 na lang kunyari yung matrix nila. May 3% ka pa rin, 90 cents. Wala pang $1 yan. Pero check out the base, 25,000. If you multiply 95 cents with 25,000, that's $22,500. So in a month, there's a possibility that you can earn $39,000, and that's going to be weekly generation bonus for you. Kaya nga sinabi ko, ito yung pinaka-lucrative means to earn here in Live Good. Okay? Coach, nangyayari ba yan? Okay, let me show you now an actual earning for 1 month of one of our coaches. Hindi ko alam kung kanino to, pero let me just show you, just to show you the difference between matrix and matching bonus. By the way, before I show you this, let me just mention na since nagawa na ng isang tao to, kaya na rin ito natin gawin lahat. Possible na mangyari to. Kasi nangyari na yun. It happened already. It can possibly happen to you as well. To you and to me as well. So let's check. Yung isa sa ating mga coaches, nung June, meron siyang matrix bonus na 1,388. May matching bonus siya, 12,367. Imagine, yung matching bonus is 12 times more than their matrix bonus. Kaya nga sinabi ko, ito yung magpapayaman sa'yo, di ba? And during that time, diamond na siya kasi meron ng diamond bonus pool. Hindi ko pa na-discuss, meron na siya. Di ba? Now, another income of one of our coaches, noong July naman, 1,299.50 yung kanyang matrix. But look at the matching bonus. $44,810. Wow! That's only for 1 month. And that's going to happen month after month after month after month. At palaki lang po ng palaki yan. This happened in July. Definitely, mas malaki na po yan ngayon. During that time, Crown Diamond na siya, kaya umabot na ng 24,000. Hindi natin alam kung kanino to sa dalawang Crown Diamond na nasa buong mundo, di ba? Pero look at that. The income is 70,000 just for a single month. You see, kaya kami dito excited eh. Kasi may nakagawa na. Meaning, kung may nakagawa na, posible rin nating magawa. Diba? So let me just show you what will happen if you continuously refer people to the program. Let's say 20 yung na-direct mo. Tapos yung 20, unfortunately, hindi talaga nakapagpa-refer ng kahit isang tao dito. However, napuno yung matrix income nila eventually. Eventually, I'm not saying tomorrow, the following month. Let's say, for example, after 5 years, napuno rin yung matrix income nila or yung matrix nila. Therefore, each of them is receiving 2,047.50. May 15% cut. That's 1,023.75. If 20 sila, that's $20,475 for you. That's 1.1 million pesos po. Monthly income na yan. Kasi tuloy-tuloy lang naman magbabayad ng subscription yung mga members, di ba? Therefore, tuloy-tuloy lang din yung matching bonus mo. And I'm just talking about the 50% matching bonus from your directs. Diba? Eh may generation pa yan eh. So definitely, mas malaki pa yung kikitain mo dyan. What if you have 30 directs, tapos yung 30 directs mo nagsipagtrabaho naman? Each of them earning 6,000 na lang in their matrix income. Now, 3,000 sa'yo kasi 50% of 6,000 is 3,000. If 30 sila, that's $90,000 monthly income. 5 million pesos po yun, month after month after month after month. If you're receiving this as a regular monthly income, ay hindi lang talaga pangarap mo yung matutupad mo, pati pangarap ng kapitbahay mo, matutupad mo. Diba? And just imagine, if you're religiously giving tithes to your church, 10%, you're giving 500,000 tithes to your church every month. Ang laki pong matutulong niyan sa simbahan nyo, pati dun sa mga taong nangangailangan. Now, there would be people na may invite mo rito na sasabihin sa'yo talaga na sige, sasali ako. Magsusubscribe ako pero hindi ko gagawin yung negosyo. Okay, tanggapin nyo pa rin sila kasi ikaw yung makakatulong sa kanila. However, ask for 2 more members of their family. Sabihin mo, ipasok mo yung asawa mo tsaka yung anak mo. Sige, bayaran mo lang din yung subscription nila. Huwag kayong don't do just, eto lang. Because this is what will happen to you. Unang-una, nakapasok ng dalawa. So you become bronze. And sa bronze, pag napuno yung matrix mo, aabot ng 4,095.50 yung iyong matrix income. Ngayon, yung dalawang family member mo, each of them will receive 2,047.50. Dalawa sila, that's $4,095. Matrix income nila yon. Since direct mo sila, may 50% matching bonus ka, that's additional 2,047.50. If you total that or if you sum that, that's a total of $10,238 month after month after month family income na. Magkano po yan? Kalahating milyon po yan in peso. Monthly income, monthly family income. Ngayon, papasalamatan ka ng friend mo kasi instead of just earning 2,047.50 or around 100,000, binigyan mo yung pamilya niya ng kalahating milyon. Di ba? Now, here's the vision of our team, the Dreammakers Worldwide. Our vision is to have 100 solid direct referrals. When I say solid direct referrals, kung ikaw gusto mo mag-diamond, lahat yung 100 na madidirect mo rito, all of them wants to become diamond as well. And eventually, they will become diamond just like you. Okay? So, paano yan? Let's say, for example, I'm not saying that this will happen over the year, 2 years, 3 years. Let's say 10 years. 10 years na mangyari to. But look at this. Yung 100 na na-direct mo rito, lahat sila naging diamond at lahat na puno na yung matrix nila. Magkano yung income nila sa matrix? 16,383.50. And since diamond ka na rin, yan din yung matrix income mo. Diba? 50% sa'yo, matching bonus pa lang ha, yung matching for the direct, 50%, 8,191.75. 100 sila. That's $819,175 monthly income for you. Magkano po yan in peso? 45 million, 45.8 million pesos month after month after month after month. With that kind of income, kaya nyo na po magpatayo ng foundation para makatulong sa mga mahihirap, para sa mga hindi kayang tulungan yung sarili nila. Mapapagawa nyo na po yung simbahan nyo, makakatulong na po kayo sa maraming tao. Even your community would prosper because of that income. Imagine what blessing you can give others because you were blessed. Okay? Kaya nasabi ko dito, when you receive this as a blessing, this is something so wonderful that you really have to share it to many. Alright? And ang key po dyan, kasi yung mga makakatanggap lang ng matching bonus are those who do direct referrals. So the key is refer people. Now, let's make it simple. Kung talagang gusto nyo mag-rank up, the simplest way is to get 3 and help your 3 to get 3. Kanina yung get 2, help 2, repeat. That's the simplest way to fill your matrix. If you want to get promoted, get 3, help 3, repeat. What will happen to your organization? Ganito po yan. Una, ikaw lang, and then you got 3. And then yung tatlo mo, kumuha ng tagatlo. That's 9. And then 27. And then 81, 243. If this happens weekly, or sige, monthly na lang, if this happens monthly, on the 7th month pa lang po, diamond ka na. Because you only need 2,500 active members to become diamond. On the 7th month, you already have 279 members. Okay, on the 10th month, actually, crown diamond ka na. Kasi ang kailangan mo lang to be crown diamond, 50,000 members. You already have 88,000 members. So if this continues, na talagang naging kultura na doon sa team nyo, na kada may papasok, magdadala ng 3 tao, talagang sasabog yung organization nyo. Ang laking blessings po nito. Right? Pero dito po sa atin, we are training people to do the power of 5. Power of 5. True blue success. Even Coach Fernand, share niya po, siya po, 5 power legs. Actually, he has 6 power legs. Kaya napaka-stable po. Right? Alright, moving forward. The moment you join, actually, you can ask your sponsor or your diamond upline to teach you how to do that. Alright. Moving forward, another way of earning is the retail commission, 10 levels deep. Paano naman yan? Remember, pinakita ko kanina may retail price, may consumer's price, or member's price. If you deduct the retail price from the member's price, you get 50%. That's your commission. So let's say, for example, $20 yung retail price. Tapos yung member's price is $15. May difference na $5. 50% of that is $250. $250 yung sayo. And that's unlimited. So long as may umu-order dun sa shop link mo, ng tuloy-tuloy din yung retail commission mo. At ang maganda nito, as you rank up, the same computation nung kanina, yung fast start, ganun din po. As you rank up to bronze, you get to enjoy up to level 2, and so on and so forth, up to level 10 if you're ready. Alright? Tapos meron din tayong tinatawag na influencer bonus. Si influencer bonus naman, more of a volume sale per month. Let's say for example, influencer ka, sikat ka na sa TikTok or sa YouTube. Tapos may followers ka na. Ang ginawa mo, nagtimpla ka for example ng ating coffee. Alright? And then you discuss about the benefit of taking coffee every day. And then you call upon your followers to buy coffee from your shop link. And when they do, let's say for example, you have like 2,000 followers and all of them bought coffee. Guess what? Aabot yan. Lalagpas ng 2,500 yung monthly sales mo. When your monthly sales reach up to 2,500, yung 50% mo, dadagdagan pa ng 10%, making it 60. Pag umabot ng 5,000, 20% yung idadagdag, making it 70. Pag 10,000, 30%, making it 80%. Pag 25,000 na, 40% na yung idadagdag. 90% na yung matatanggap mong commission. Ito maganda. Pag 50,000 and above, yung buong difference ng retail and members price, sa'yo na ibibigay ni Livegood. Kasi yung 50% mo, dadagdagan pa ng additional 50, making it 100%. Alright? And I'm telling you, hindi ka mahihiyang i-recommend or i-recommend yung products natin kasi napakaganda ng quality niya. Napakababa ng mga prices. In fact, here, ang recommendation namin, the moment you join Livegood, you have to be a product of the product. So, try the products. Get yung international pack, wellness pack natin kasi yun nga, complete. Take them all. Para ikaw mismo, madidiscuss mo kung gaano kaganda yung products, di ba? Ito maganda. When your member do that, yung mga bagong join, on their first order, may commission ka pa rin. Ito yung pinakabagong bonus natin, tinatawag na customer acquisition bonus. So how does that work? When direct member place their first order, 10% of that order is paid out as customer acquisition bonus. So let's say for example, magkano yung ating international wellness pack? 10% of that, $89.95 yun eh. So 10% of that is $8.99 or $9 mo na. Now, paano yung giving out niyan? Okay, by the way, sa first order lang to and only up to $300. Anything in excess, wala na tayong commission doon. Kasi remember, the company is not earning through products. 'Di ba? Almost manufacturing price na binibigay. Kaya nga sabi ko, most generous compensation plan kasi almost manufacturing price na sinishare pa sa atin. So back to my example, 'di ba meron tayong $9 na 10%. Magkano yung mapupunta sa iyo? Mapupunta sa iyo would be 50%. That's $4.95. Ang maganda niyan, if you're ranking up, pag umabot ka ng diamond, ma-enjoy mo up to level 10. Ano ibig sabihin niyan? That means hindi mo na trabaho, hindi mo na nga kilala kung sino mo gumawa, hindi mo na nga alam na meron kang tao nasa ilalim mo na ganun eh. Yet still, Live Good is still giving you a reward kasi yung first person na napunta sa Live Good is because of you. Ganyan po yung pagbigay ng reward ni Live Good dun sa mga tao who would share Live Good to many people. Alright? Kaya the key of the name of the game is to refer people. Okay, meron pa tayong mga means to earn. Ayan, piece of the pie money. Ano ibig sabihin niyan? Diamond bonus pool. Kasi po dito, lahat ng sales ng company for the month, whether it be affiliate fee, the subscription, the product sales, lahat po yan ito-total and then kukurot ng 2%. Yung 2% na yan, paghahati-hatian ng mga diamond rank for that month. Okay, ito nga sample. Let's say for example, the total monthly sales is $15 million. Pwede ba mangyari yon? Yes. Bakit? Kasi 1,030,000 na tayo, 1,030,000 members na tayo. Each paying $10 na lang. Diba? That's already 10 million. Eh meron pang affiliate. Eh affiliates natin every month we're like having 100 to 150,000 new members every month, each paying $40. So kayang-kaya po umabot, lalagpasan pa yung 15 million monthly income na yan. Okay, 15 million times 2%, that's 300K. Let's say for example, 60 diamonds na lang yung naghati-hati. Meron silang tag 5,000 each. Okay, wala na siyang kinalaman dyan kasi kita na ng company yan eh. Binigyan na lang siya ng share. Kaya lahat tayo, we need to become diamond so that we would be like owners of the company. We would have share of the company itself. And if you become a crown diamond, meron ka ng share ha. Kasali ka na dun sa diamond bonus pool. Meron ka pang additional 0.5%. Okay? Again, back to our example, $15 million monthly sales, monthly income. 0.5% is 75,000K. $75,000. Alright? Eh dadalawa pa lang po ang crown diamond sa buong mundo ngayon. Pag magkano sila doon, that's $37,500 crown diamond bonus pool for them. Kaya nga tinatawag namin tong rich and famous money. Alright? Here's the good news. Lahat ng diamond, lahat ng crown diamond, tsaka yung dalawang crown diamond ngayon, they all started as affiliate member, just like you and me. They all started like you, listening to a presentation, to an opportunity na Live Good, being shared to them by their sponsors. And what did they do? They became open, they did the project, the business, they were focused enough so that to be able to reach yung position nila ngayon. Ngayon tayo, swerte tayo. Kasi hindi sila selfish. In fact, they're sharing through their trainings kung ano yung ginawa nila, paano sila naging crown diamond. Right? So we are in equal footing. Lahat sila, naging crown diamond sila, but they all started as affiliate member. Now, if you're not an affiliate member yet, wala ka pa sa equal footing. You have to become an affiliate member now. Alright? So just to give you additional reason why you become a member, number one, we just officially launched. In fact, nasa pillar stage pa lang po tayo. Foundation pa lang yung tinatayo ng Live Good. Wala pa tayo sa pioneering stage. Alright? And guess what? Yan po yung talagang inaabang-abangan ng mga business people, yung mga pasimulang companies pa lang. Alright? Number 2, high quality products, very affordable prices. And we're just starting with health products. Padagdag pa po ng padagdag yan. In fact, we're launching very soon yung mga household products natin. Kaya magiging household name na si Livgood eh. Sa US mag-i-start and then eventually the whole world. Okay, another, marketing system tools and trainings. Yes, ang dami po niyan. Sa YouTube pa lang bumabaha na po ng Livgood videos. And here, we have weekly training. In the Philippines, every Monday po tayo. Sa US, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. US time. Mondays meron din po product training. Wednesdays meron din po motivational training by Nodar Kazan. So dito po bubusugin kayo ng training. Lahat ng kailangan nyong malaman, malalaman nyo by attending those trainings. And our website, they're information packed. In fact, lahat po ng alam ko, lahat po ng sinishare ko sa inyo nanggaling po yan sa website, sa pakapanood ko ng mga videos as well. Alright? And then what else? A simple, powerful, lucrative, and very generous compensation plan. Wala na po kayong hahanapin pa. Very fair, very generous. Ano pa? Fun. If you're looking for fun, eto na po. This is the happiest business you can do. You'll belong to a successful, fun, and winning team. Alright? Diba ang saya? Nagninegosyo ka na pero ang saya-saya nyo pa rin. Now, here's the thing. Sabi ko nga kanina, we're just starting. We haven't even scratched the surface. Kasi simula pa lang po natin, a little over a year pa lang tayo. Yung 1,030,000 members, don't be overwhelmed by that. Kasi napakaliit na number po niyan. I want you to look at the future. Kung yung iba umabot ng 100 million members, 100 million members, and they're not even paying their members, but people are subscribing to them, much more si Livgood. We could actually reach even 500 million, even a billion members in the years to come. Since nauna ka, you would be the first one to benefit, to reap the benefits. So don't let go. If you're not a member yet, become a member now. Okay? And you will enjoy the benefit of the years to come. If you're a member already, don't let go. Make sure that you pay your subscription. Kami nga, naka-annual na kami. We're always paying talagang in advance. And annual yan para wala na. Hindi na makalusot yung mga compensation na yan. Alright? Don't look at the now. Look at the future of Livgood. And don't let go. Sayang. You'll miss out on a wonderful opportunity. Okay? So right now, we're just starting with a high-quality health products at affordable affordable cost. But guess what? Time will come, padagdag lang po ng padagdag yan. Noong 2023 lang, ang dami na nadagdag na products. Eh. Time will come, Livgood will just add more and more and more products. And panigurado, lahat yan good quality, lahat yan low prices. We will be like the Amazon of network marketing. And think about it. Pag naging ganyan na tayo, ilang members na meron ng Livgood? Diba? Sabi nga, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you are not sure you can do it, say yes. Then learn how to do it later. Anyway, marami naman magtuturo sa'yo dito. Kasi what you're letting go is a $9.95 monthly subscription in your is a savings for your future. You have actually nothing to lose. Pero you would be missing a lot of opportunity if you don't do this. Because this is an opportunity that can actually change your life. Okay? But the decision is still up to you. Hindi ka naman namin pwedeng pwersahin. We cannot twist your arm just to say yes. So what's next for you? You have 3 options actually. Number 1, I'm in. Okay? Yung mga talagang na-excite dyan at gustong-gusto na sumali, lagay nyo nga sa chat box, "Hey, I'm in." Okay? If that is you, then register with your sponsors link, pay the $49.95 and become an affiliate member now. Or pwede rin naman, you want to shop at members price. Okay lang din. Be a member. Be a member for $9.95. Again, go to your sponsors link, doon ka mag-register, pero pay for $9.95 lang. And when you do that, you become a member, you get to enjoy our high-quality products for a very affordable prices. Or pwede rin naman, no thanks, it's not for me. Thank you. Thank you for your time. However, don't waste the opportunity of having to use our products kasi talagang life-changing siya. So what do? You ask for the shop link of the one who invited you here. Doon ka mag-shop ng product at retail price. Alright? Pero kung ako tatanungin nyo, letter A ako, kaya nga ito affiliate member na ako. Okay? Sino ba yung mga sumagot ng A dyan? Wala. Wala pang sumasagot. I'm telling you, if you haven't made the decision yet to do the business, I'm telling you, do the business now. Kasi pag pinatagal nyo pa yan, pagsisisihan nyo pa yan. Now, to help you even more, ito kayo, possible, ito ka. You can be overworked, underpaid, financially unsecured, or pwede ka rin naman maganda bayad mo, kaso wala kang time. Or you can be an OFW away from your family, nangungulila ka sa family. Now, all of these are active income. Think about this. What awaits you when you retire? Wala nang income pero tuloy-tuloy pa gastos. Saan ka kukuha? Diba? With Live Good, sabi ko nga, meron tayong passive income for life. So imagine if you do live good today, where will you be in the coming years? Actually, in the coming year. Kasi ang dami nang nabago ng buhay dito in just as short as 1 year. Affiliate members here are buying cars in cash. They're starting with their with their house payments. Unti-unti nang nababago buhay nila. Lahat sila halos wala ng utang. Because you will have more income than bills of each month. Wala ka ng problema. Wala kang stress. Di ba? You'll have more time spent with your family and friends. Yes, you'll have the time freedom. Freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. Ang tanungan na dito, where do you want to work today? Diba? Sa Italy ba? Alright. And then a life without debt. Wow. Stress-free. Everything you buy, you pay in cash. Ito maganda pag debt-free ka, ang laki ng giving mo. Nothing would stop you from giving. Minsan kasi, kaya ka hindi nakakapagbigay kasi pambayad utang ko na to, ibibigay ko pa ba sa nangangailangan? Eh kung wala kang utang, by all means, help as much as you want. Alright? You can also take vacations as often as you like. In fact, yung ating coach, nakabakasyon ngayon. Hello, hello. Alright. Now, the reason I showed you this, because ito yung nakita kong pagbabago sa buhay ng mga tao na gumawa ng Live Good ng seryoso. And this is already happening to me. Okay? Nasisimulan ko na nararamdaman yung pagbabago sa buhay ko. And this is the opportunity we are sharing to you. Kasi we embraced Live Good. We embraced the Live Good opportunity. Kasi Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. If you're looking for a change, then do Live Good. Alright? So with that, I would like to say thank you very much for staying. Again, get back to the person who invited you, get their sponsor link, register there, and become an affiliate member today. Alright? I hope to see you soon at the very top as one of our diamonds, as one of our coaches. Again, this is Mon Reyes. It has been my privilege sharing to you this business presentation. Bye-bye. All right. So, to continue, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening.